Okay, so if the unit's not responding via the web browser but you can ping it and there's no IP, looks like our issue was in the terminal. It was not mounting the root partition. It has to have a / done, so that's / is the root partition where the scripts probably are. So all I did was I press this button here to get into the other window, and we'll enter the maintenance mode. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the password, and then once it let me go into the maintenance mode, I pressed restore WPS. It did a little progress bar, and then once that was done, I went shut down WPS box, which shuts the unit down, and then powered it back up. 1, 2, 3, 4 to exit that, and then once it was done, this loaded with all the IP information, and the printer printed a test page.